Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail. I'm going to show you exactly how you can actually add products to your Shopify account. Now, a lot of individuals find this very difficult, and the reason why they find this difficult because they have not watched this video. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. And if you do not have a Shopify account, click on the description below in the link and get Shopify for 90 days, because Shopify is where your dreams can come true. And obviously with Shopify, you can sell anything and discover the reason why millions of entrepreneurs are choosing Shopify to build their businesses. And obviously you can bring your vision to life with their easy to use store creator, and you don't need any coding expertise whatsoever, and you can select from hundreds of customizable templates that are crafted by a community of world-class designers, and add more features and functionalities to your online store with the app extensions from trusted Shopify partners. You can connect with customers everywhere and sell online, in person, or both with the marketing tools and social integrations and sales channels that you would need to get your product in front of customers. Everything that you need to succeed is available on Shopify. You can manage your inventory, track payments, and view real-time business insight from a single dashboard. They are empowering entrepreneurs everywhere. They have millions of merchants worldwide, and they are operating in 175 countries. They have supported 5 million jobs since 2021, and they have a global economic activity of $444 billion. And you can simply get a piece of that cake by signing up to Shopify. All you need to do is click on start the free trial, and once you do that, you'll be taken to the next page. Over here, you would need to give some information. For example, the first question they ask is that which of this best describes you? Are you just starting or already selling online on a person? We're going to go with the fact that we're just starting off. And then they ask you that where would you like to sell, an online store, an existing website, or a blog, social media, online marketplace, in person, or you're not sure. We're going to go with the online store, where we can create a fully customizable website. Once we have selected it, we'll go to the next question, which says that do you have an online audience? Of course we do. We're going to be looking at YouTube, on Instagram, or even Facebook, and then we will select the different places that we would want to sell to our existing audience. Once we have selected that, just click on next. Now comes the most important part, is actually selecting a name for your store. And this is a place where a lot of individuals, young entrepreneurs, and people that do not understand online marketing and Shopify accounts make a massive mistake, and they select a name that does not reflect who they are. You want to make sure that you find a name that really gives value to your store, gives individuals a chance to understand before they land on your landing page, and know for a fact that you are a store that means business. You're a place that they can find everything they want and find it of quality as well at the same time. So make sure that you spend some time discussing, understanding, and researching the name that you want to select for your store. Once you have done it, then all you need to do is click on next. The last step you need to do to create a Shopify ID is select where and how you want to log in. Do you want to continue with your email, with your Apple ID, with your Facebook ID, or with your Google ID? We're going to continue with our email, and once you put your email, you're good to go. Once you sign in, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. On the left-hand side, you're going to have your home, their orders, your products, your customers, analytics, marketing, discounts, your online store, and you can also add apps, which I'm going to show you in a second. Then on your main dashboard in the center, you're going to have your setup guide, where you can add your first products, add brand assets, add a custom domain, even customized theme. Then comes the most important part, and the reason why I absolutely love Shopify is the fact that they have amazing support, from their help center to their Shopify Learn, the different courses that you can take and understand different ways and strategy development for your Shopify account, their community, and you can even discuss a topic and find answers to your questions. And obviously this gives you a competitive advantage in the industry. Now we want to add products, so how do we do that? Instead of adding a product from here and doing one product at a time, which is time staking and obviously a lot of waste of time, I'm going to show you a shortcut and a quick way to do all this job with a couple of clicks. All you need to do is click on add apps, and once you do that, you'll see the first app that's going to be available is the DSellers AliExpress dropshipping. Now we want to add this onto our account to ensure that we can integrate integrated with our AliExpress account. And once we do that, we can directly import all the different products that are on AliExpress without copying and pasting the descriptions and the pictures and the details and specifications. We can do all of that from this app. So let's go ahead and click on add. And once we do that, it's going to take us to the next page where it will ask us to actually install the app. So we're going to click on the top right hand corner over here and click install the app. And once we do that, it's going to give us another pop-up on the next page where it will ask us to actually get selected with a plan. We're going to go with the basic and the get started for free. And once we do that, we'll click on AliExpress to link it with our AliExpress account. So our Shopify account is going to get linked with our AliExpress account. And if you don't have an account over here, you can create an account or actually use your Google or Gmail account or your Facebook or your Twitter or your Instagram to actually get connected. So let's get connected to our AliExpress account and our Shopify account and create a bridge between them to ensure that we can quickly find different products that are available on these sellers and actually import them to our account on Shopify. So after we've done that, we're going to have a robot that's going to come in. So we're going to close this over here and we're going to say, I will explore freely and learn later, because I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to ensure to find different products that are available on AliExpress. Now we have AliExpress that's going to open up over here. And if you scroll down, you'll see all the different products that are available that you can easily get. You can easily search over here by entering different keywords and finding products that you want to get. So for example, this product looks quite interesting. So we're going to click it, add to import list. Now this is going to get imported and we'll say we want to add another product. So we're going to add this product as well. And then we're going to stay over here, and these glasses looks quite nice. We're going to import them as well, and we're going to click on go to the import list to check. Now once we do that, you'll see where the number has changed to 3, and these are the 3 products that are available that we can import. All we need to do is select this product, and select the third product. Now we have 3 products that have been selected, and then we will click on push to Shopify. Once we do that, it's going to ask us information about the pricing rule, if you want to continue when it's out of stock. Yes, we want to continue if it's stock, and it'll get us the details of the different products that we're pushing, the price, the descriptions, everything. And we're just going to click on push to Shopify. Once we do that, you'll see that all these 3 products are going to get shipped. Now this is a complete information over here that you have successfully pushed the 3 products. Now what we're going to do, we're going to head over to our Shopify. We're going to close this from here, and then we're going to click on products. And once we do that, you will see that we have 3 products that are available. We want to view these products, so let's click on this product over here and view this on our online store. Now obviously this product was available on AliExpress. Now we've imported it. We've got the description, the price, the colors, and every single information that we need about this product. Even the specification has been imported, and that is how amazing this particular element is, that gives you a chance to get all the information that is available on AliExpress to your Shopify account. You can add as many products that you want. You can delete the products if you want. You can check the inventory if you want. You can check the variations if you want. This is the beauty of it. You can even edit any information that you have on this particular product yourself to ensure that you can customize and make it your own as well. If you have any questions, guys, whatsoever, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. And obviously, if you have not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family so more people can find out how simple, straightforward, and easy it is to add different products from AliExpress to your Shopify account. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.